Good evening. The task for today is how we need to upload a PDF file to the Power BI and what are the steps that are involved, and as well as how we need to take up the data into the Power BI. Now it is as usual and it is as simple. Now go to home, click on get data, click on more and search for PDF and click on connect. Once you're done, identify the location where the data is being loaded. To me, it's Power BI. I have loaded it on Infosys AR, that is a file that I have created, and click on open. The minute I click on open, what it does is the navigator opens upon. In the navigator, in the back end, the Power BI runs a technology called OCR, optical character recognition. So here what it does is it keep on identifying each and every page and what sort of data is there in each and every page, and that indicates the tables in a page and the text in a page. It separates it and we'll see in detail step by step. Now you can see how the data has been expanded. It opens its navigator, and once in the navigator you can see. So let's take little closer observation. In page number 3 you can find table 1 and table 2. Leave about the data how it was and what it is. But now it indicates in page number 3, as per the Power BI process navigator, it says in page number 3 it has 2 tables. Likewise, in page number 4 you have table number 3 and table number 4 and table number 5. 3 tables in page number 4. In the same way, it also does one more task. When you come below, after all the pages are being listed, now you can see one more time, you can see it as a page number 0102. Now what it is, when you click here you can understand this also looks like a table, but as per Power BI it says that it is a text file or it could be something written adjacent to a paragraph. That is what it says as text. Now when you click on each and every time, so you can see some empty spaces. Even it looks like a table, but everything it written over here as per Power BI is a text file, and the persons who are doing text analytics would like to take information from here, and a person who wants to do analysis over something will look after the data over here, tables over there. In an example, now let me take in page number 4, there is a table number 3, table number 4 and table number 5. After click on this, there were 2 options that are enabled, that is load, transform and clear. If I assume these tables are supposed to be append, I need to click on transform. That will open my data in Power Query editor. That's one way. And if else I don't require any changes, it is as simple. In the front pages itself, you need to click an option called load the page. That is simple way that we are going to do. Now all the tables are being extracted from the Power PDF, and it was start reading the data. Now it will load the data, and you can see this data on data tab. While loading PDF, is it a table or maybe a text? That is what it is a major condition. Now you can see over here the tables have been loaded. To check the tables, it's always good to go with table view and click on Dataset. Now you can see what kind of tables are being loaded. Selecting second table, selecting third table, which is from page number 5. If you need to add some column number 1, column number 2, or rename these column numbers, you may have to go to transform data and walk over there. Now you can see this is how the PDF file loading in Power BI does. Let's try to do one more exercise. Now what I have done is, in my desktop I have saved a document In a minute, please. Power BI. Now imagine this is a document which I have saved, Power BI sample PDF, and saving in your document. Refresh. Loading Power BI is done, and let me try to load you or explain you little detail how it works when loading a Power PDF file into Power BI. Now let me show you the sample PDF file which I am going to load into Power BI. This is a simple page. You can see or you can understand it has only one page. The page has one table and one series of data, and this data will explain you about all the table, what is sales ID, date, product, and how this has been recorded, right? Now let's make the simple basic understand. So what it has, one table and one set of data. Now go back to your Power BI. It is as simple. Click on get data, select more, and click PDF and click on connect. Once it is done, this is the document that we are going to load it, which we have seen earlier. Now once I load it, you can see the observation. There were two tables in page 1. What Power BI has done is it has run its OCR, optical character recognition software, identified the table 1 as a table which is already there, and it also sees the second set of data. Being it is delimited procedure, it also assumes that it is also a table. Now understand in page number 1, what it says is the whole data which is over there simply recorded as a text file. Now it is up to the user what they need to load. Now in simple, I am loading the table 1 from the page 1 and click on load. It automatically takes the data and loads it adjacent to your Power BI file. Now calculating it, and you can see the table has been loaded from page number 1 as customer date, and this is one best way what Power BI does beauty with the data. Like see, sales ID, date, product. Imagine it took data from text file, it takes data from PDF, converts PDF file, identified tables, identified text, and it gives user a chance to load what he needs and what has to be analyzed. So this is how the task of Power PDF data upload in Power BI. Thank you.